Good morning, students. Organic specific and tissue specific manifestation. Okay, so for example, how we get the different sicknesses and diseases. Okay, we see here now. We have studied that dis means we have seen a dis plus ease. That means the dis-ease means opposite for the easy, not being easy, feeling difficult in the body, feeling uncomfortable in the body. This is the dis-ease. Okay, so we have studied that disease causing microorganisms enter the body through air, water, food and physical contact. So through the body, whatever causing means which brings the microorganisms brings the diseases, sicknesses to us through what? Through the air, water and food and physical contact. Where do they go then? So after entering inside of our body, microorganisms, which part they go? Okay, we see which part of the body inside they go. So here they may go to any part of our body. There are many possible places, organs or tissues. Organs means parts of the body. Now, for example, inside of our body, we have the heart. Heart is one organ. And intestine is one organ. Skin is one organ. Blood is one organ. So, like that, so many organs are there. Or tissue. That means so many cells together, they make the tissue. Na? And tissues, they make the organs. Where they could go? Do all microbes go to the same tissue or organ? Whatever microorganisms, virus, bacteria, fungus or protozoa enters in our body, everything will they go to the same place, or do they go to different ones, or will they go to the different parts of the body? Different species of microbes means microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, virus, protozoa, seem to have evolved to different parts of the body. In part, this section is connected to their point of entry. If they enter from the air via means through the nose, they are likely to go to the lungs. Okay, for example, any microorganisms entering to the lungs means directly they go to the lungs. For example, COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19 sickness, coronavirus enters through the lungs, enters first to the nose. From the nose, it goes to the lungs. Okay, that is why coronavirus causing the breathlessness. That means unable to breathe in and breathe out and breathing problems. So that so many died. Breathing is very important for us. Na? So this coronavirus directly affecting the lungs because it is entering into the nose. From the nose it goes to the lung. That is why we wear the mask. We wear the mask so that they don't enter into the nose, okay, or mouth. This is seen in the bacteria causing the tuberculosis. And also if they enter into the lungs, we cause coronavirus enters into the lungs means we get the COVID-19. If the tuberculosis causing virus enter into the lungs means we get the TB. Okay, TB virus is different and COVID-19 virus is the coronavirus is different. If this bacteria reaches our bones via blood, through the blood, if it is reaches to the bones means, so we get the bones tuberculosis. So it affects the bones, it will break the bones. Okay, so if they enter through the mouth, they can stay in the gut lining and if enter through the mouth means gut means digestive system. It stay in the digestive system and it will damage the liver. Okay, and it cause the hepatitis. Okay, hepatitis it will cause one kind of sickness. Understand? Hepatitis means inflammation of the liver. Inflammation means what? Sujan hota hai na. So liver sujan hota hai. If it enters into the digestive system, we have the liver also. If infection by HIV virus, if it will be entering into the body through what? Through the sexual organs. Via means way, marg. Okay, through that, and will spread to the lymph nodes all over the body. So in our body there are so many lymph nodes are there. So it will enter all the lymph nodes and malaria causing microbes entering through a mosquito. So since HIV virus enters into all parts of the body, that is why that HIV patient will get so many sicknesses. That is why they die soon. Okay, so one after the other continuously they get the sicknesses. So entering the malaria causing bacteria, mosquito bite will go to the liver only and then to the red blood cells. We can imagine what the symptoms and signs of an infection will be if you know what the target tissue or organ is. Okay, if the malaria bacteria enters into our body, it causes the sicknesses. Okay, it will be decreasing the immunity power, understand? So, and the function that are carried out by this tissue or organ. If the lungs are the targets, then symptoms will be cough and the breathlessness. If that bacteria enters into the lungs means, so we get the cough or breathlessness, breathing problems. If the liver is targeted, there will be jaundice. And if the brain is the target, we will be observe headaches, vomiting, fits or unconsciousness. So that same bacteria, if it is enter into the liver means we get the jaundice. That bacteria if it's entering into the brain means, so we get the sicknesses like headache, vomiting, fits or unconsciousness. That means falling down. Okay, then in addition to these tissue specific effects of infectious diseases, there will be other common effects too. Most of these common effects depends on the fact that the immune system is activated in response to infection. If the immunity power is more means, immunity power means what? Pratiksha Shakti. Okay, Pratiksha Shakti और शक्ति का विरोध. सो प्रतीक्षा शक्ति हम लोग का बॉडी में ज़्यादा है तो एनी बैक्टीरिया और वायरस एंटर्स योर बॉडी मीन्स इम्यूनिटी पावर, दैट मीन्स WBC, white blood cells fight with whom? Fight with the virus and kills the virus. If it is less means, so bacteria will stay in our body and we get the so many sicknesses. Okay, so all the bacteria and virus enters our body, decreases the immunity power. So an immunity system recruits many cells to the affected tissue to kill the disease causing microbes. So whatever causing the disease, it will kill that one. Okay, so this recruitment process is called inflammation. Understand? As the part of this process, there are local effects such as swelling and pain of the infected part, and general effects such as fever and swelling of the lymph nodes. Okay,